Do you realize that Christmas can be quite stressful, noisy, expensive, and to the extent exhausting? This is the video for you because this year I'm going to celebrate Christmas differently. How? More gently, simple. I don't even need to spend a single cent on Christmas decoration. Maybe eat more healthy. At the end of this video, I hope you will find this video inspiring, meaningful, less wasteful, and more peaceful. And even if you are not retired. My name is Esti. I was once a city girl from Singapore. Now I live in north of Sweden in a small city called Skellefteå. I left behind decades of trauma, hustles, stress, and burnout. I came here to heal, to breathe, and to rebuild a new life for me and my daughter. For many years, I find that Christmas is quite meaningless because I didn't understand the meaning of it, why people celebrate it. Christmas is more than just keeping up with the appearance, buying presents, eating good food with families. What does Christmas mean to me really? And what does Christmas mean to you? To me, it means rest, gentleness, some reflection for what I've done over the years and what that is coming in 2026. That's why I did the winter up lock-in. If you missed that video, I'm going to include that above here. If I am now the younger version of me, I think I would use this time to pause, to rest, and I would ask myself, really, do I need all these gifts? Do I really need all these decorations? Do I need to overspend on things that doesn't really matter? Maybe the more meaningful gifts is actually time and memories. You agree? When LG brought up boxes of Christmas decoration, I felt really overwhelmed, even though we have decluttered some during our Swedish death cleaning. So when I look at those boxes, I tell myself, I'm not going to use every one of them. I'm just going to keep it simple because I felt very stressful. I couldn't relax if there are too much Christmas decoration around me. So this year, I reduced my decoration into half. I didn't even bother to change my curtains into Christmas curtains. I choose to more natural material like twigs, pine cones, and even pine needles. I bought some home yesterday. I'm going to make a little cute Santa with a little hat. And let's see how it goes. I also use quite a bit of pine cone because I felt like it not only looks very natural, it's actually really beautiful. For those of you who doesn't live near the forest, it can be quite difficult for you to find pine cone. But what I can suggest that you do is like maybe sit together with your families, especially with your kids, to do homemade ornaments. I do have a few videos about how you can do that. I'm going to put them in the link bit above so you can check it out. In Singapore, our Christmas is quite commercial because most of the food we can't really buy it from the wet market. So we have to buy it from the hotel or from the restaurants. In Sweden, people also buy from the supermarket, but they do it in a different way. Sometimes they invite friends and family to come and have like a big together, which I find it's really, really cozy. And also during this time of the year, they like to do like small craft with their kids or even with your friends. Just spend a night together, making simple crafts. This way, you could feel reconnected with your loved ones. I'm going to give you guys a few recipes that you too can make Christmas food at home. Again, I'm going to include the videos above so you can check it out. If you are making some of my recipes, I would love to hear from you. If you are like me, who doesn't like to eat too much sweet stuff or rather try to avoid it, I suggest you make this one if you like pineapple. This is actually a Singapore version of a pineapple tart. It's really delicious. I'm going to open and show you how it looks like. This is how it looks like inside. It's made of pineapple marmalade. I bought fresh pineapple. I cooked them over the stove with some, I put the pineapple in the processor and I just cook them over slow heat until it dries up. And then the pastry is actually quite savory. It's not sweet at all. So this way, I only eat the natural sweetness from the pineapple, which can be a little bit sour because it all depends on the kind of pineapple you bought. But don't worry, I'm going to include the recipe again on the video description so you can check it out. So this is really, really delicious. I think my friends, my Swedish friends, they love it because this is something very special. They never eat this before and they love it. When I'm baking, I think about the people that are eating it. LG's son, he has some diabetes problem. So the other day, I made some cheddar cheese biscuit so he can eat because I felt really sorry for him when we all are enjoying our Christmas sweet stuff and he's just eating maybe just fruits or just drinking coffee. The thoughts also it really means a lot to the persons that you care about. Before I forget, this is the dish that I promised to show you. It's healthy and super delicious. I hope you give this a try. For gift also, it's really important that you give with your heart. This year I gave my daughter a pressure cooker, which I think is going to really help them in their daily life, and I also hope that they could eat more healthy. So what I plan to do is I'm going to buy a bunch of nuts that they can eat on the rush, on the go in the morning, because nuts and seeds are really, really healthy. This could be a more healthier, meaningful, thoughtful kind of gift. Another thing that I used to do is that I don't like to use Christmas wrapping paper, especially those that are made of plastic. So sometimes I kept the Christmas gift wrapper from last year, and then if they are still in good condition, I'll use them to wrap on this year's presents. This way, I not only recycle the paper, I also save money. As for my Christmas dinner this year, I plan to do it differently. Currently, I am doing some research on, the type of food that are not only nutritious, but they are also a little bit of Christmas touch in it. So I'm still working on it. I'll keep you guys updated on this on my next video, alright? And if you are working and don't have time, to do all this planning, but I really do think that planning does help a bit. Just spend 5-10 minutes of your busy free times and then just sit down and plan. What do you really like and what is nutritious to you and your family? And then make it simple. You don't have to be like a big party or big feast. Just make it simple, easy, and also if you can, make it like in advance so you don't have to stress out on the Christmas day itself. If you notice, in Sweden, our Christmas ham and salmon, they are usually cheaper like 2-3 weeks before Christmas. So I suggest that you go check the supermarket out, because sometimes they really have great offers, and use that opportunity to buy it, because don't buy it when it's closer to Christmas, because then they will be more expensive. This is the traditional Swedish saffron bun. I usually make them during Christmas. They are made from saffron and almond paste. It's really delicious and I'm sure you will love it. I'm going to include the link in the video description so you too can make this at home. Another thing that I want to try doing is to create this ritual kind of thing. For example, like looking through those old pictures of my daughter, because I think whenever I look at those pictures, it just gives me this warmth and joy. And I think you should do that because it really can help you to bring back good memories. And also I plan to just take a few pictures with my phone, and then I'll share them with her on Messenger so that she too can feel the joy and the love. And if I were you as a youngsters, we always have in our back of our mind that we want to visit our grandparents, for example, or somebody we care about. So I think during this time is a really good time for you to just catch up. Maybe a good friends that you haven't been contacting for a long time. Just give a short call, wish them Merry Christmas, and maybe you could strike up a warm conversations. Another ritual that I like to do is I like to light candles around the house, especially during meal times. Going out for a walk in the evening Looking at all those windows, decoration from your neighbors can be a really cozy experience. If you haven't tried that, I think you should. That not only give you the time, the opportunities to breathe in fresh air, but also give you the Christmassy mood. The Christmas decoration in this small village is not like the one that we have in Singapore at Orchard Road. Ours is more settled, it's more calm, but I felt like it's really cozy because they are real. Along Orchard Road, those are not real. I'm not saying that it is not good, but it is another kind of experience. If you have been following me, you realize that I am actually trying to heal from my trauma during childhood. Christmas is like this small moment where you can heal and not feeling lonely. This is an opportunity for you to catch up with your loved one, your friends, and show that you care. You never know, maybe your friends are thinking of you but didn't have the courage to call you. So why not make the first move? You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to feel awkward. Maybe that was the only phone call they have been waiting for so long. I feel really grateful for where I am today. I am grateful for the nature, the silence, the time and the space for me to just settle from Singapore to Sweden, from burnout to stillness, from fear to trust. Wherever you are not alone. Maybe you just need to slow down, even for a little while. And this, I hope, is my gift for you. If this video brings you a little calm, inspiration, please give a heart to this video and subscribe if you haven't. Share this with someone who maybe need a little gentle this Christmas. May your heart be lighter, kinder, and this holiday be full of peace. With all my love from north of Sweden. Merry Christmas, good year, and thank you for watching. Now I have to go and look at what is in my fridge. Bye bye.